大家好，我哋今晚咧會講下咧霸氣嘅鴨嘴火龍嘅。Magma is born in an active volcano。原來鴨嘴火龍咧係喺火山入邊出世噶。When it breathes deeply, heat waves form around its body, making it hard to see clearly。當鴨嘴火龍深呼吸嘅時候咧，佢全身都會着晒火噶，令到你咧望唔清楚佢啊。Since its body is always clothed in flames, it looks like a big ball of fire。由於咧佢全身都俾火包住啊，因此佢望落去咧就好似一個火球一樣。The heat waves also ignite grass and trees in its surroundings。佢身上面紅紅嘅烈火咧，仲會燒着佢身邊嘅花花草草添啊！所謂 heat waves 咧，就係佢身上面嘅火焰咁解啊。With a body temperature of close to 1000 degrees Celsius, its body is always burning with orange flames that enable it to hide perfectly amid flames。原來佢哋嘅體温咧有成攝氏1000度咁高噶。佢哋嘅身體咧一路喺度着住咧橙橙地色嘅火焰啊！呢啲橙橙地色嘅火焰咧就可以令到佢哋喺烈火當中咧隱藏起上嚟。In battle, magma blows out intensely hot flames from all over its body to intimidate its opponent。喺作戰嘅時候咧，鴨嘴火龍係超型噶。頭先我哋咪話咧佢全身都着晒火嘅，但係一到作戰嘅時候咧，佢一口氣咧將啲火全部都整熄晒佢，令到人哋咧終於見到咧佢嘅廬山真面目啊！本來咧成1000度高溫嘅火焰咧，一下子整熄晒咧，呢一下動作佢係攞嚟咧嚇敵人噶。Blow 就係吹啦 ，blow out 咧唔係吹出嚟或者噴出嚟 ，blow out 咧係整熄咁解啊。If it is angered, it spells brilliant fire from all over its body。如果有人激嬲佢嘅話咧，佢就會噴到全身都係火噶啦。我意思係噴到佢自己全身都係火啊，即係好似超級賽亞人咁啊。It doesn't calm down until its opponents has burned to ash。佢一定咧會將敵人咧燒成灰燼咧先至會滿意啊。Magma doesn't like cold places，so it blows scorching flames to make the environment suitable for itself。因為咧鴨嘴火龍咧唔中意凍嘅地方噶，因此當佢去到凍嘅地方嘅時候咧，佢就會咧噴到周圍咧都着晒火啊，令到自己咧覺得舒服啲喺嗰個地方嗰度。When it's tired, it leaps into the mouth of a volcano and soaks its body in magma to ease its weariness。當鴨嘴火龍覺得攰嘅時候咧，佢哋就會跳落去啲岩漿嗰度啊，好似浸溫泉咁樣咧，幫自己消除疲勞啊。It can heal itself by dipping its wound into lava。當佢哋將傷口咧浸落去岩漿入邊嘅時候咧，佢哋嘅傷口咧就會不藥而愈噶啦。我覺得咧鴨嘴火龍係一隻咧十分之有霸氣嘅精靈啊！霸氣英文係咩咧？就係 majestic magma 就係有霸氣嘅鴨嘴火龍啊！正常你覺得凍就最多着多件衫嘅啫，但係佢哋覺得凍嘅時候咧，就即刻噴火噴到周圍咧都暖翻晒。佢識噴火啦，但係佢又唔會用火咧去嚇對方喎。當佢震懾敵人嗰陣時咧，佢係直接露個真面目俾人睇。呢啲咧全部都係有自信、有霸氣嘅表現嚟嘅 ，majestic 啊，點啊？鴨嘴火龍咧喺咁多隻精靈入邊咧，佢係排第46嘅。以實力計算嘅話，佢最高嘅 CP 咧係可以去到2222。完美技咧就係 Amber 火苗啦，再加大字火 Fire Blast。佢嘅實力咧係僅次於火衣貝、鳳神犬同埋噴火龍嘅。可能你會話，咁佢都唔係好勁啫。其實唔係㗎，鴨嘴火龍仲可以再進化多次，變成鴨嘴焰龍㗎。我哋期待咧快啲有新嘅精靈用啦。咁我哋下次再見啦，各位觀眾，拜拜。